to remember, keep momentum, and watch out for the trees.
First thing I'm looking for is a big, fat, warm, punchy sound.
I'm Dave Anderson with Fazio.
Hi, I'm Mike Fazio.
Hi, Brian Rankins here with my good friend Phil Jones.
Hi, I'm Brian Rankins with Fazio Spretz and Friends in St. Louis.
So we went there and played for this man, a couple of pieces. He stopped me. He said, "That's enough, George." So I said, "Well, forget it." Goodbye, George. But no, he liked it. He invited me to play again.
So you get a huge amount of change when adjusting the tone controls.
Tempo that is required first. And then I explain a little slow down.
Channel 1 works great if you want a rich and articulate overdrive.